Hello noobs, so we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Reasons why your urine is smelly. What if when you sit down and relieve yourself, you notice smelly urine? Whether it's extra pungent or a fishy, having a weird smell emanating from down there can be freaky. But honestly, there are some perfectly logical and totally harmless causes of smelly urine odor. You are dehydrated. The number one cause of smelly pee. Not drinking enough water. When your body is dehydrated, the urine has a strong odor and appears dark in color. You ate something with a strong smell. Have you ever eaten asparagus and noticed that your urine smelled off afterward? But asparagus is not the only food that can change the scent of your urine. Certain foods like Brussels sprouts, onions, some spices, garlic, curry, salmon, and alcohol can change the smell of urine. A high salt diet can also make your urine more concentrated, giving it a stronger scent than what you may be used to. But if too much salt is the cause of your smelly urine, you might have bigger problems. You just drank some coffee. Some people may notice an interesting odor when they have consumed coffee. That smelly urine odor is due to coffee metabolites, aka byproducts from coffee after it gets broken down into your body. You have a urinary tract infection. The most common medically concerning reason for smelly pee is a urinary tract infection because their urethras tend to be shorter, inviting more bacteria to enter the bladder. In fact, pee that has a strong ammonia smell or foul or slightly sweet smelling urine is often the first indication that you have a UTI. You might have diabetes or pre-diabetes. One of the first ways diabetes manifests is in the bathroom, causing you to have to urinate more frequently. You may also have fruity or sweet smelling urine. Most likely, sweet smelling urine will be a sign of type 2 diabetes, the type that happens when your body does not use insulin well and therefore can't regulate blood sugar, rather than type 1, which is much more rare and happens when someone's body does not make insulin at all. You use douche products. Douching using scented feminine hygiene products is common in certain cultures. Many women practice the habit to improve cleanliness, vaginal odor, or to treat vaginal infections in some cases. But unfortunately, douching can expose you to organic compounds that are dangerous for your health. You have to note that douching not clean your vagina, but it can also mess up the microbiome of your entire genital area. Worsening bad smells rather than improving them includes the smell of your pee. If you have kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard masses that can form in your kidneys when certain chemicals in your urine start to crystallize. If that is not clear enough, let us spell it out. That is, kidney stones are made of pee. So, it is not too shocking that kidney stones are one of the causes for smelly urine. While a kidney stone tries to make its way out of your body, it causes a backup of urine. That backup leads to foul-smelling pee that may also look cloudy. You are pregnant. Here is a fun fact. The hormone changes that make it possible to grow a baby, estrogen and progesterone, can make your pee smell a bit different, to you at least. Urine can have a more pungent smell from the hormones produced during pregnancy, especially during the first trimester. Leave your comments if you felt like this. Thank you all. Have a nice day.